Hi ma'am, hi sir, good day. My name is Jonalyn Cristobal Abuan. I am 24 years old. I am already married. I have 2 children, 6 years old girl and 3 years old boy. My height is 160 centimeter. My weight is 52 kilogram. I am high school graduated in Mandela Comprehensive High School. I work as a housemaid and yaya in Poblacion, Mandela, Quirino, which is here in the Philippines, to Mr. and Mrs. Aduyeng for 3 years and 4 months. There are 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, and tutoring children. I take good care of children like changing their clothes, feed them, and bath them. My prepared duties is taking care of children going to school. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and have a better living support to my family. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. And I am also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am promised to finish my 2 years contract with you, and also I am willing to renew when needed. Ma'am, sir, I hope you select me as your helper. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I hope to see you soon, ma'am and sir. Again, my name is Jonalyn Cristobal Abuan. Thank you and God bless.